Well, hey there, friendship friends. How are you today? You may recall seeing these two of my friends in a previous video. Yeah, they sort of snuck in for that brief moment, squawking and snorting. Now, they can get loud, you know? Actually, they are loud to the point of annoyance, especially if I keep making them make noises again and again and again. In fact, if I continued this, pretty soon my wife, who works in the next office or next room to me, may come in here to yell at me. And my cats have already left the area because this noise scares and bothers them. You know, sometimes people in our lives can get too loud and they bother us. Or sometimes even we ourselves can get too loud and bother others. So how do we live with each other? How can we be sensitive to each other? How do we live with each other in peace? 1 Peter 3, verses 8 and 9. It'd be a good scripture for you all to look up today. It says, I want all of you to agree with one another. Be understanding. Love one another. Be kind and tender. Be humble. Don't pay back evil with evil. And don't pay back unkind words with unkind words. Instead, pay back evil with kind words. This is what you have been chosen to do, and you will receive a blessing by doing this. You know what? Being understanding, showing love, being kind, and not trying to get even go a long way in helping us get along with each other. We are friends. We want to get along with each other, and yet sometimes we can irritate each other because we can be so loud. Well, you know what I can do? I can manage how I feel and how I respond to people who are being too loud. Ooh, sorry. It's called self-control. I don't have to be so loud all the time, and I can try to learn to be sensitive to others. And as I'm being sensitive to others, I also need to allow them to be who they are and to not be so critical of them. With Pig and Chicken, it's learning to get along, even though sometimes it's a bit hard to live with each other all the time. Because sometimes Pig and Chicken are just too loud. But you know what? I still like them. So today, be kind to each other. Like your friends. Even when you all get a little bit too loud for each other, have a great day. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.